विश्वेश्वराय नरकार्णवतारणाय विश्वेश्वराय नरकार्णवतारणाय कर्णमुत्याय शशिशेखरभूषणाय कर्पूरकुण्डधवल जडाधराय दारिद्र्यदुःखदहनाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय. The shlokam that I did just now is done in Rag Bhopal. Bhopal is considered to be both Hindustani and a Carnatic ragam, of course, and we do Bhopal ragam in the early hours of a day because the swaras of this particular ragam enhance the early raises of sun is what people believe. So Bhopalam is considered to be early ragam. That's the first early hours of the ragam. The swara that I did or the shlokam that I did is composed in Bhopal, and this particular format of doing a shlokam is called Viruttam. Of course, when we go with the Viruttam, you do even more of a sangatis to it or even huge, bigger shlokas. But just to have an introduction to style of Viruttam, I did a 2-line shloka in Bhopal. Let's do a Kirtana called Sada Chaleshwaram in Bhopal Ragam by Dikshitar. Please do note down the lyrics first and then let's go with the Kirtana. Here we go with the Mochana of the Bhopalam. It goes like this. Sare ga pa da sa Sare ga pa da sa sa da pa ga re za Sare ga pa da sa sa da pa ga re za na na Bhopalam holds a special position for re and the. Sare ga pa da ba ga pa da ba da ba ga pa da sa da ba ga pa da sa re sa da ba ga ba ga re sa da ga re sa re ga pa da ba ga pa da da pa ga pa da pa ga ba ga re sa da re sa sa re ga pa da sa da ba na This is to give you a feel of a Bhopal raga and also to make you understand these swaras of the Bhopal. Let's do the Kirtana Sada Chaleshwaram Bhavayeham. This composition has been done by Dikshitar and this is set to Adi Talam. Let's do the Talam for your understanding once again. Adi Talam goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Please note down the Pallavi of the Kirtana. It's Sada Chaleshwaram Bhavayeham Chamatkar Puraheham Girija Modam. Let me repeat the Pallavi. Sada Chaleshwaram Bhavayeham Chamatkar Puraheham Girija Modam. This particular Kirtana Dikshitar is praising Lord Shiva. Unlike his most of the Kirtanas wherein he praises Durga as the main this thing, Lakshmi and Durga, because Dikshitar is considered to be an upasaka of Shri, that's Amaru. But in this particular Kirtana, Dikshitar is trying to give the beauty of Sadasiva as an Ardhanarishwaram as such. So let's do the Pallavi once again. It's Sada Chaleshwaram Bhavayeham Chamatkara Puraheham Girija Modam. Girija Modam is like Girija is Parvati, Modam is like the heart. So it's like Shiva, you are the heart of Parvati and please be with me. That is the meaning of the Pallavi. Let's do the Pallavi. Sada. I do it as slow as I can. Please do try to follow the Pallavi. Sada Chaleshwaram Sada Chaleshwaram Bhavayeham Gapadab Bhavayeham Sada Chaleshwaram Bhavayeham. The Sangati is like this. If you slow down, very very slow. Vayeham Chamatkara Chamatkara Puraheham Chamatkara Puraheham Girija Girija Modam Mogab Modam. Right, that is first Sangati of the Pallavi. Let's do the first Sangati once again. This is a little complicated Kirtana, so I'm trying to do it as slow as I can. Try to follow this. In fact, this is difficult because of the Anyaswaras, that is the and the Ri, which plays a very very important role in the overall raga. So it takes little time for you to understand the intricate Sangatis and the positions and the tariffs of the Kirti. Just do follow. Sada Chaleshwaram Bhavayeham Sada Chaleshwaram Bhavayeham Sada Chaleshwaram Bhavayeham Sada. That is the second Sangati. Sada Sada Chaleshwaram. The first Sangati we do it very very plain. Sada Sada. And the second Sangati we are just trying to add a little very very subtle Sangati. Sada Chaleshwaram Bhavayeham Sada Chaleshwaram Bhavayeham Chamatkara Chamatkara Puraheham Chamatkara Puraheham Girija Modam Sada. Girija Modam goes a little fast in order to fit that to Talam. Girija Modam. In order to make you understand, I am doing it very slow, but when you actually do with the Tala, it goes a little fast. Girija Modam Sada Chaleshwaram Bhavayeham Chamatkara Puraheham Girija Modam Sada Chaleshwaram Bhavayeham Chamatkara. This is the first Sangati of the Pallavi. Let's do the second Sangati for the Chamatkara. Chamatkara. The first Sangati goes very plain as usual. That is the first Sangati. The second Sangati goes like this. Chamatkara. चमत्कार पूरहे हम when you actually slow down, that is the Sangati. गिरिजा मोदौ सदा चलेश्वरो भावयेहं चमत्कार पूरहेहं गिरिजा मोदौ सदा चलेश्वरो This is the Pallavi. Let me do the Pallavi with the Tala at a stretch. Sada Chaleshwaro Bhavayeho Sada Chaleshwaro Bhavayeham Sada Chaleshwaro Bhavayeham Sada Chaleshwaro Bhavayeham चमत्कार पूरहेहं गिरिजा मोदौ सदा चलेश्वरो भावयेहं चमत्कार पूरहेहं गिरिजा मोदौ सदा चलेश्वरो भावयेहं चमत्कार पूरहेहं गिरिजा मोदौ सदा. That is how we actually connect it. गिरिजा मोदौ सदा चलेश्वरो भावयेहं चमत्कार पूरहेहं गिरिजा मोदौ सदा चलेश्वरो That is how we stop the Pallavi. Please slow down the Anupallavi. Sada Shrita Kalpa Vriksha Samoham Saranagata Devata Samoham. Sada Shrita Kalpa Vriksha Samoham Saranagata Devata Samoham Mudabdya Krita Nama Deyavaham Chidanandamrita Pravaham. Mudabdya Krita Nama Deyavaham Chidanandamrita Pravaham.